Hi, welcome to MarineMax Seabrook. My name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to take you on a tour of our 2018 Grady-White 235 Freedom. This boat is powered with a single Yamaha 304 stroke. Some neat features on this boat. Got a real nice fishing area located towards the transom. Back here, a big fish box located on the port side. We've got a freshwater or raw water live well located on the starboard side. We've got our ski pylon. Get ready to start fishing. This just drops down, gets nice and out of the way. Big open area back here. We have a fold-out rear bench seat located here in the transom as well. So for riding in and out, whether you're going fishing, skiing, or kind of just enjoying the day, real nice, comfortable seat. Get ready to fish, just folds right down, nice and easy. Got a wet bar area over here. Got a cutting board here, freshwater sink located right below that. Real nice and easy for cutting baits and getting kind of ready for the day. Big, nice bench seat located here on the port side. The backrest is on a track, so you can slide this and set it up in a couple of different positions. It'll also double as a leaning post up on the front side here. So on those days it's a little bumpy out there, you can stand up and really support yourself. We've got our captain's seat here on the starboard side, flip up bolster, flip up armrest. Big nice area here for flush mounted electronics and things like that. We do have our Yamaha multi-function gauge over here, which will put all of our instrumentation, everything like that right at our fingertips, along with our switches as well. Stereo controls. We've got our head located here on the port side. This does go to a holding tank with an overboard discharge. Nice, beautiful hardtop, life jacket storage towards the aft. Lots of extra storage underneath the starboard side of the console as well. A couple tackle trays. And as we move forward here, we've got a cooler here located on the starboard side of the boat. All the compartments on these boats do drain directly overboard as well. We've got a little extra storage over here on the port side. Windlass up forward, and then this boat is equipped with a bow cover and cockpit cover. Thank you again for taking a tour of our 2018 235 Grady-White.